call center training, elderly customer, role play, call center agent, and customer.
Thank you for calling Smart Solutions. My name is Sarah. How can I assist you today?
Oh, hello there, Sarah. I hope you're doing well. I seem to have forgotten my password to access my smartphone account. Can you help me?
Of course, sir. I'll guide you through the process. First, could you please provide me with your account information?
Let me see now. Where did I put that? Oh, here it is. My account number is, wait, that's not it. Sorry, my memory's not what it used to be.
That's okay, sir. Take your time.
Oh, my wife used to take care of all this, but she passed away last year.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that, sir.
Yes, it has been quite a challenge running the house without her.
I'm sure it has. Please accept my condolences.
What was I looking for again?
Your account number, sir.
Oh, yes, of course, I remember now. I need to find my password. I think it might have been my grandson's birthday, or was it my cat's name? Oh, darn it, I can't seem to recall.
Not to worry, sir. If you don't have your account information, we can try a different approach. I can send a temporary password to your registered email address. Once you receive it, you'll be able to access your account and set a new password.
That sounds like a good idea. Thank you for that.
First, could I have your first and last name?
My name is James R. Mitchell.
Thank you, Mr. Mitchell.
You're welcome.
Sir, could you tell me your email address?
Yes, it's james3801@gmail.com.
Thank you. That email matches the one we have on file.
Oh, geez, I've had that email account for a very long time.
Thank you for that. If you check your email, there will be a link to reset your password.
So, I just click on the link and it will tell me how to reset it?
Yes, that's exactly right, sir.
All right, I think I can handle that. Say, how many letters do I have to make the password these days?
Your password will need to be at least 8 characters. However, it must include 1 or more capital letters and a special symbol.
What kind of special symbol?
Well, Mr. Mitchell, a special symbol would be like a % or a $sign, or the @ symbol.
Oh, the ones above the numbers on my keyboard, I gotcha. You know, these things are getting more and more complicated. It was a lot simpler back in the day.
We do apologize for the inconvenience. However, the longer passwords do offer an added layer of security.
I don't know what I have that anyone would ever want. Oh well, I'll have to reset my password.
Mr. Mitchell, is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, I don't think so. But before I go, I heard a funny joke the other day.
Sir, I do have many callers waiting.
I promise, it's a quick joke.
All right, sir. Go right ahead. I'm listening.
What did the ocean say to the other ocean?
I don't know, sir. What did the ocean say?
Nothing. It just waved.
Oh, that is a funny joke. Thank you for sharing.
I have another one.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Mitchell. I really do have other callers waiting, so I'll need to let you go now. Thank you for contacting Smart Solutions and have a wonderful day.
Well, goodbye then, Sarah. You take care now.
Thank you, Mr. Mitchell. Goodbye.
Remember to watch our other role play videos.